Building is more on building your creativity. See how you build a puzzle game, see how you build up the logic, how you build up the conditional program. And after that, we'll do some command. Because you need to set some spawn points, you need to set teleport players, you need to set how to give weapons to the players, and how to complete the mission, so that you will also set some message for the players saying that they're winning. So this is basically what we can do in Minecraft. Not just doing building without doing coding. But this is more on commanding, so we need to do some logical thinking and also typing. And what we do today is we make an escape room in Minecraft. So we did an escape room. Let's show the escape room. Right? Where's the room? Oh, special room. This is our room. And I think this guy is doing some also special room. Just now we did play a very good game made by Lucas and so if you want to learn some Minecraft, look for us. Okay, we'll teach you how to go